Imagine a truck that looks like it's been dropped straight out of the future and onto our highways. The 2025 Scania semi-truck is not just a leap forward in design, it's a bold statement about where trucking is headed. With its sleek, aerodynamic body and aggressive stance, this machine turns heads before it even moves. What immediately grabs your attention is the striking neon green finish paired with sharp black accents. From the front, the truck features a wide, dominant grille bearing the Scania logo, flanked by ultra-slim LED headlights that seem to stare ahead with purpose. The cab design is low and streamlined, optimizing airflow and boosting fuel efficiency, whether it's diesel, hybrid, or fully electric, depending on the chosen spec. Moving along the sides, the design doesn't let up. The massive black wheels, deep side skirts, and flush door handles all contribute to its high-performance look. Even the mirrors are replaced with sleek camera systems for better aerodynamics and enhanced safety. It's a design that's not just for show, it's built for the road, for long hauls, and for drivers who expect more. Inside, it's all about driver comfort and tech. The cab is futuristic yet functional, with a fully digital dashboard, heads-up display, and intuitive touch controls. There's ambient lighting, adjustable ergonomic seating, and even a compact sleeper section that doesn't compromise on space or style. It's clear Scania wants drivers to feel like they're piloting a next-gen vehicle, not just driving a truck. Safety has also taken a big leap. The 2025 model comes with advanced driver assistance systems, including lane keeping, automatic emergency braking, and 360-degree monitoring, all designed to reduce fatigue and improve long-distance driving efficiency. Whether you're looking at it from the front, side, or even the rear, the 2025 Scania semi-truck stands out as a piece of automotive innovation. It's powerful, intelligent, and undeniably cool, ready to change what we expect from heavy-duty transport. So, if you thought trucks couldn't be beautiful, high-tech, and performance-driven all at once, think again. This is more than a truck, it's the future of freight on wheels.